Older homes in Sterling Heights have a charm that's hard to replicate: classic architecture, solid construction, and established neighborhoods. However, many of these homes were built with windows that no longer meet today's standards for comfort, energy efficiency, or ease of use. If you're considering replacing windows in an older home, the good news is that modern replacement window options are designed to preserve character while dramatically improving performance. Understanding the needs of older homes. Homes built decades ago often have unique window openings, thicker walls, or architectural details that require careful planning. Replacement windows for older homes must balance aesthetics with functionality. The right window choice should complement the original design while solving common problems such as drafts, condensation, difficult operation, and rising energy bills. Professional window replacement ensures new windows are custom-fitted, maintaining the original proportions and minimizing disruption to interior trim or exterior siding. Double-hung windows, a timeless favorite. Double-hung windows are one of the most popular replacement window options for older homes in Sterling Heights. Their classic look fits seamlessly with traditional home styles, from mid-century houses to early ranch and colonial designs. Modern double-hung windows tilt inward for easy cleaning and are built with insulated glass to reduce heat loss during Michigan winters. Homeowners appreciate their familiar appearance combined with smoother operation and better insulation. Casement windows for improved ventilation. Casement windows are an excellent choice when homeowners want to improve airflow without altering the home's character. These windows open outward using a crank, allowing fresh air to enter more efficiently than many older window styles. For older homes with limited ventilation or hard-to-reach window areas, casement windows offer practical benefits while maintaining a clean, classic appearance. They also create a tight seal when closed, helping reduce drafts and energy loss. Vinyl replacement windows. Low maintenance and cost-effective. Vinyl windows are a popular option for older homes due to their durability, affordability, and low maintenance requirements. Unlike wood, vinyl doesn't rot, warp, or require regular painting, making it ideal for homeowners who want long-term reliability. Today's vinyl replacement windows come in a variety of colors and finishes that can match or enhance the original look of your home. Advanced insulation features help keep indoor temperatures stable throughout the year. Wood and wood-clad windows for historic appeal. For homeowners who want to preserve a more authentic or historic appearance, wood or wood-clad replacement windows are an excellent choice. These windows maintain the warmth and character of original wood frames while incorporating modern energy-efficient technology. Wood-clad windows combine a wood interior with a durable exterior material, offering beauty inside the home and weather resistance outside. Energy efficiency makes a big difference. Older homes in Sterling Heights often struggle with heat loss during cold months and heat gain during summer. Modern replacement windows feature double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames that significantly improve energy efficiency. Upgrading windows can lead to lower heating and cooling costs, fewer drafts, reduced outside noise, and a more comfortable living space year-round. Custom solutions for unique window openings. Many older homes have non-standard window sizes or shapes. Custom replacement windows ensure a precise fit, protecting the structure of the home and preserving architectural details. A professional window installer can assess your home and recommend solutions that respect its original design while delivering modern performance. Enhance comfort without losing character. Replacing windows in an older Sterling Heights home doesn't mean sacrificing charm. With the right window options, homeowners can enjoy improved comfort, efficiency, and ease of maintenance while maintaining the look that made them fall in love with their home in the first place. Choosing replacement windows designed for older homes is an investment in both comfort and long-term value, helping your home remain beautiful, functional, and energy efficient for years to come.